wanted. I knew I was tired of the situation. I knew I was tired of the person I was. I knew I was tired of not being the same girl that people met yesterday. I was tired of that girl because that girl that I was yesterday wasn't productive enough for me. So I was like, I need to move out of that girl. I need to become a better person. I need to be, because I can be that girl and make it in life. I can be that girl and speak and people will hear me. I can be that girl. I can't be that shy girl anymore. I wanted a girl that is so much very outspoken. I wanted to be a girl that is not described as being in any way intimidating. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe right below here. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to share with your friends, because this video, get your pen and paper. I am serious in this video. This video is going to change your life, and I want to tell you something, because I am a living testimony. If you finish watching this video and your life did not change, right? If your life was like 50% and your life did not change with another 50%, come back here and comment and call me a liar. Come back here and comment and tell me that you should close down the social media, because my life changed the moment I learned this. Yes, I say guys, go back now. If you're anywhere, if you're at home, if you are wherever you are, sit down and watch this video. Don't watch this video standing up, because you have to learn just one single thing that will take you to your next level. Get your pen and paper. First of all, I want to chip something in. I remember when I was planning to get to my next level, like, I know some people might not understand what this next level is. Whenever someone say, are you ready to move to your next level? It means that you are tired of being poor. It means that you're tired of being in this situation that you are. It means that you're tired of being called stupid. You're tired of being unnoticed. You're tired of being unproductive. You're tired of crying. You're tired of wallowing in shame. You want to move from one level to another level. And that level you're moving to is like you're moving to the higher level of your life. If you're poor, you're moving to your next level, being rich. You're moving to a procedure that will make you rich. That is whenever somebody say, are you ready to move to your next level? That is what you mean. So one day I told myself, I am ready to move to my next level. But guess what? I didn't know what to do. Yes, I know I knew I was tired of the situation. I knew I was tired of the person I was. I knew I was tired of not being the same girl that people met yesterday. I was tired of that girl, because that girl that I was yesterday wasn't productive enough for me. So I was like, I need to move out of that girl. I need to become a better person. I need to be, because I can be that girl and make it in life. I can be that girl and speak and people will hear me. I can be that girl. I can't be that shy girl anymore. I wanted a girl that is so much very outspoken. I wanted to be a girl that is not described as being in any way intimidated. Yeah, I was tired, so I decided that I wanted to move to my next level, but I didn't know how. So the truth is that I wanted something at that point in time. Like I told you guys, coming here to Canada was my dream. It was my dream. No matter how you guys want to see, it was my dream. It might not be any other person's dream, it was mine. So I was like, no, I was tired of this country. I need to move. And those are what I call moving to your next level. I moved to my next level. So I said to myself, okay, what do you do when you want to move to your next level? I don't know. But I know that I have to push in something. So I know I don't have friends because I do not always keep friends around me. I know I don't have anyone that is gonna help me to go to my next level. But I know I have one thing. One thing, thank you for this generation that we are. God, thank you for this generation that we are. I know I have one thing, and that is my phone. Guys, what are you using your phone to do? That is the honest truth. What are you using your phone to do? This phone you see right here has brought us a lot of good things, but people still use it for a lot of bad things. I told myself, yeah, I have this phone and I'm gonna make use of this phone. Do you know what I do? I said, okay, I typed to Google. I typed to Google. I told Google, how do I do this? How do I do this? I try using Google. I try using YouTube. These two places, oh my God, changed my life. If you're struggling in any way, if you're struggling and do not know how to start something or do not know how to begin with something, go to your Google, and your Google is gonna trace you back to YouTube, or go to your Google Direct, or you go to your YouTube Direct. These two places can change your life. There's a lot of fun going on Facebook. Everyone is challenging. Everyone is looking for traffic. Everyone is looking to be seen as the highest person, collecting the highest money on social media. Yes, don't get me wrong. It's all nice. It's all nice. But I'm talking about some places that you can easily go to, use your phone to search for the things that you really want. If you want to become rich, yeah, go to Google. Ask Google, how do I do this? I do not say you should go to Google and ask Google how to become rich. You need to have something in mind that you want to do, that you be specific, because you cannot tell somebody, how do I become rich? Rich with what? Yeah, you cannot just be rich with what? What are you rich? What do you want to be rich with? Yeah, whatever that you have in mind, go to Google, because do you know why? Because a lot of people have passed through that stage that you want to pass through. So learn from others. So I started using the Google. I started using YouTube. I searched the first week, the second week, the third week, over and over and over and over again. Nothing came out until one day. Yeah, this is the power of consistency. The moment you manipulate your mind to be focused that this is really what I want, this is really what I'm heading to, this is really what I want to get, you see, everything we start, the only thing that you will be doing or you'll be thinking at that point in time is, how do I get that? Because you have kind of structured your mind to really work towards that thing. So whatever that is coming as a distraction, you don't want to see it. You just want to focus on what you want to do. And that is what I did. I focused on what I wanted. I kept on searching the internet. How do I do this? How do I get this? How do I do this? I kept on until one day I stumbled upon a video of Stephen Harvey. I know a lot of you know this guy, Stephen Harvey. He's a relationship therapist. I don't know whether he's a relationship therapist, but I know he's a relationship advisor. I know a lot of people bashed Stephen for preaching what he doesn't do at home. A lot of people bashing. Of course. Tell me one person that has ever been relevant and not been bashed. It simply means just because you're being bashed doesn't mean that you are not being relevant. It just means that you're seen, because somehow some people are going to criticize you and somehow some people are going to love you. It is not right for people to all love you. No, it's not right. Some people are going to criticize you and some people are going to love you. So that's what makes you human. That's what makes a human here. Even as I'm standing here, there are some people that I will see and I will criticize. Everyone have those traits in them. Everyone have that trait in them. So I came across this video of Stephen Harvey. He was like, okay, do this. I don't know, maybe many of you must have come across that video and you neglected it. He said something. If you want to achieve something in your life, if you ever want to achieve your goal, take your pen and paper, write down every damn thing that you want in this life. Write it. If you get to 100 and something, keep writing. Do not get tired until you're tired of writing that thing that you said you want in this life. At the moment you finish, drop your pen and do nothing no more. You will see yourself subconsciously, even when after writing that, you'll be like, what's happening? Have I gotten all those things? No, you've not. You see yourself, because this is the power of manifestation that you do not know actually happened immediately. With the moment you just finished writing those things and dropped your pen, yes, you just manifested something. You see yourself subconsciously walking towards all those your goals, all those things that you want to achieve, and come back there in the next few years and check back all those things that you've written down. I tell you, I'm a product of that testimony. That I am here today is because I have written down this day. I have written down this time. I have written down what I want. How I did it, I didn't know that all these things that I wrote down subconscious recorded inside my head. You don't just say something that you want to be rich. No, don't say it. Write it down. You don't just say that you want to buy a car. Don't say it. Write it down and write down the kind of car you want to buy, and see all those things come to manifestation. See all those things come to reality. That is how this life is so a lot of things. God gave us a lot of gifts that this mouth can be used, these hands can be used. What do you do with your hands? What do you do with your mouth? What do you do with your eye? I tell people, God has given us a lot of things, enough for us to be rich, enough for us to be successful. Make good use of it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.